Hello crafters, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this very attractive and very easy tissue paper holder using paper quilling strips. So this box is made using quilling coils and the decoration is also using quilling flowers. You can just pull the tissue from the box like this in the center. So let's get started. For this we need some 3mm quilling strips, some 10mm strips, liquid glue, leaf punch, border punch, quilling tool, half cut pearl, pink color sheet and scissor. First I will show you how to create tight coil. For this I am taking one strip of pink color. Here I am using 10mm strips to make box. So just make a coil and my one strip length is 45 cm. In the same way we need 66 pink coils and 132 green color coils. Now I have already created one base which measures 15 by 9 cm. I have just wrapped cardboard piece using pink color paper. Now I am starting with my first row and adding green color tight coils one by one. So complete this rectangle shape. So first row is ready. Now I am starting with my second row. So I am just applying glue and adding pink color coils. You need to add one coil between two coils. So after adding second row it will look like this. Now I am starting with the third row and again adding green color coils. In the same way I will increase the height till 5th row. So after adding all 5 rows the box is ready and it will look like this. You can choose any color combination of your choice. Now I have created this lid which measures 15 by 9 centimeters and I have cut one oval shape in the center so that we can easily pull tissue paper. You can also cut circle shape and added 4 tight coils on back side so that we can close our lid easily and it will not come off. To decorate the box I am taking my border punch machine and punching white color sheet to create a border. cutting one strip of border like this. Now add little glue and start adding this in the center of the box. So this is done. You can also add crochet lace if you don't have border punch. Now I'm adding this border on left and right side of the lid. And then decorating the center oval shape using half cut pearls. So this is done. Now I'm starting with my first quilling flower. For this I am taking half strip of dark pink color and 1/4 strip of white color and making one teardrop shape. In the same way I have created one more teardrop. So now I am joining both the teardrops with each other and wrapping the whole petal using white color strip. Now I am joining total 7 petals to create the flower. And for the center I have created the tight coil using one strip of green color. So flower is ready. To create the flower 3D, just push it on your palm after drying. Now I am starting with my second flower. For this I am taking one strip of off-white color and making one tight teardrop shape. Now I am joining 5 petals, and for the center I have created tight coil using half strip of pink color. So this is done. Now I am starting with the leaf. For this I am taking 1/3 strip of light green and 1/4 strip of dark green and making one leaf shape and joining 3 leaves together. So this is done. In the same way, I have created some scrolls using the same green combination. Now I'm taking this paper doily, cutting from the center and decorating the lid from corner. And after that I will add my quilling designs. I'm also using some punched leaves here and there. Like this. Now I'm taking one piece of tissue paper, just folding from the center, and now I will tuck the tissue paper between each other like this, so that when we pull one tissue paper, the other tissue paper will automatically come out. Now put all the tissue papers inside the box, close the lid, and this is ready to use. You can slowly pull the tissue like this. So the beautiful quilled tissue paper holder or tissue paper box is ready. My project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.